Hello everyone and welcome back to avijitp-tech. In this 7th episode, we will explore one of the fundamental building blocks of programming, conditional statements in JavaScript. Conditional statements allow us to control the flow of our code based on different conditions. We will start with the simple if statement, move on to if-else for handling two possible outcomes, and then extend it further with if-else for multiple conditions. Finally, we'll dive into the switch statement, a powerful alternative for handling multiple cases efficiently. By the end of this episode, you'll understand how to make decisions in your JavaScript programs, making them more interactive and dynamic. So let's get started.
What is control flow? By default, our JavaScript code is executed from top to bottom, line by line. However, we can change this with control flow. Control flow allows our program to make decisions about what code is executed and when. Control flow can be of various types. Let's start with the first type, which is conditional control flow statements. This includes if-else, if-else-if, and switch statements. So first, let's learn about the if statement. The if statement checks whether a particular condition is true and executes the block of code inside it. If the condition is false, the code inside the block is skipped. For example, in this line of code, we are checking whether the age is greater than 18. If the age is greater than 18, the control enters the if statement and prints you are eligible to vote. But if the age is less than 18, it skips the print statement and exits the function. Now let's learn about the if-else statement. The if-else statement provides an alternative block of code to execute if the condition is false. In the previous example, I am adding another block under the else statement. So, if the age is less than 18, it prints you are not eligible to vote. Now let's learn about the if-else if statement. In this statement, there are multiple conditions to check. It is an enhanced version of the if-else statement. In this example, I will use a program to determine the grade a student receives. I am defining multiple categories under the if-else-if statement. I am writing several else-if statements, and when a condition is true, it executes that specific block and skips the others. In this statement, I can use as many else-if blocks as needed. Now lastly, let's learn about the switch statement. The switch statement is used when we need to compare a variable against multiple values. It is an alternative to multiple if statement. If there are a large number of values to be compared, the if structure can become cluttered and complex. The switch statement helps simplify the code. In this example, I am assigning numbers to days of the week. For example, Monday is assigned as 1, Tuesday as 2, and so on. Now, in the following code, if I press 1, the control flow checks the value of the variable day with the case number. It then executes that particular block and skips the others. Since the value of day is 1 and it matches case 1, it only executes the first block, prints Monday and skips the other cases. Likewise, if I change the value of day to 2, it prints Tuesday. If I provide any other value, it goes into the default block and prints invalid day. Now I have written a more elaborate example including all the other days as well. As expected, when I set day as 1, it prints Monday. If I assign day as 7, it prints Sunday. If I assign day as 5, it prints Friday and so on. If I set day to 8, it prints invalid day. Now I am doing a simple experiment. In cases 4, 5 and 6, I am removing the break statements. So when I assign day as 1 or 3, it prints correctly. But if I assign the day as 4, it prints all the days from Thursday onwards. Similarly, if I assign the day as 6, it prints from Saturday to invalid day. What is happening here? The break keyword stops the execution of a switch statement once a case matches. Without break, the program continues executing the next cases even if a match is found. That's all for today. In the next session, we will continue with loop control flow statements.
That's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this presentation, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends and leave a comment below. I would love to hear your thoughts. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you soon in the next video. Take care and bye for now.